Hi, wonderful parents, and welcome back to Smart Start Learning. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we have a fun and powerful way to boost your child's development. We're going to use 8 colorful pictures to help your little one practice critical thinking, build their vocabulary, and explore the world with joy and curiosity. Ready? Let's jump right in. I'll show you exactly how to talk with your child using these playful images. Let's start with these 2 adorable friends, a panda and a bear. Notice that one has a green apple and one has a red apple. Prompt your child with, "What color is the panda's apple?" Can you point to the red apple? Which apple would you like to eat? Why? Why it works. This simple image is perfect for practicing color recognition and helping your child express their personal preferences. Look at this group. Now we see more animal friends relaxing together under a big, shady tree. Try asking, "Who do you see in this picture?" Let's count them together. How many animals are there? Why do you think they are sitting under the tree? Why it works. You're encouraging counting, observation, and the beginning of storytelling. Next up, we have 2 very different balls. One is for playing sports, and the other is for fun at the beach. Ask your child, which ball is black and white? If you were going to the beach, which ball would you take? Why? Can you pretend to roll the big, colorful ball? Why it works. You're building comparison skills and linking the pictures to real-life activities. Here are 2 more friends standing tall in a field, a zebra and a horse. Prompt your child with, which animal has black and white stripes? I see a saddle on the horse. What is a saddle for? Can you make a horse sound? Neigh. Why it works. This is a fantastic way to teach animal characteristics and the purpose of objects. Wow, look at all these colorful balls. This is a great chance to talk about colors and numbers. Ask, how many balls do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you name all the colors you see? Which ball do you think would be the most fun to kick? Why it works. This is a perfect moment to practice counting and color identification all at once. Well, this is a surprise. There's a zebra visiting the farm. Try these questions. What animals do you see on the farm? Which animal looks different here? Does a zebra usually live on a farm? What sound does the pig make? Oink, oink. Why it works. Mixing the familiar with the unusual is a brilliant way to encourage questions and logical thinking. Here are 5 classic farm animals, and they're all looking right at us. Ask your child, can you find the animal that is black and white? Which animal do you think is the biggest? Let's name them all together. Sheep, donkey, cow, pig, sheep. Why it works. This helps with recall, comparison, and the confidence that comes from naming familiar things. And for our last picture, we're at the beach. I see a shovel, building blocks, a car, and a ball. Prompt your child with, what can we do with a shovel at the beach? Can you find the little red car? If you were here, what would you play with first? Why it works. This is perfect for practicing verbs like dig, build, and play, and for connecting the image to your child's own experiences. And that's our picture adventure for today. Remember, every time you talk with your child using these kinds of open-ended questions, comparisons, and stories, you're building a powerful foundation for a lifetime of learning. In just a moment, I'll show all 8 pictures again without my voice. You can pause the video on each one and use these ideas to talk, explore, and have fun together with your little one. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more learning tips, songs, and storytime ideas from Smart Start Learning. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye!